Hello, hope you're doing well. I'm showing my screen to show you how to save the data when you're filling out the tax organizer and you need to get returned back to it at a later time to continue filling it out. It says here in the first part of the instructions, to save your work, click the Save button below and a pop-up will appear. Click the blue Skip Create an Account option and then enter your email address to receive the saved link. Here's the Save button below. I think the Save button is in the bottom of every single page. If you press the Save button like this, you have to click on this Skip Create an Account. You click on it and then you put your email address in. Let's say I'll just put my work email address in. You press Send and then it will send you an email with the edit link where you can continue editing your organizer. Thank you very much.